6 Simple and Effective Tips for Beautiful Skin. The way you look is going to give any stranger first impression on you. Also, looks are the only way in which anyone is usually perceived, for which it is necessary to have healthy skin, which is said to add to positive thinking about the personality. Skin is often taken huge care only, since it is said to portray exactly what we are from inside, which is also the reason for not worrying about the money which is being spent to get necessary skin care solutions. Though there are times when last-minute touch-ups are sure to work, there are also several other things which are going to work perfectly and naturally if they are followed on daily basis. However, before following these treatments, which can be easily prepared at home, it is also necessary to understand the reasons for this to happen. Tips for healthy skin. 1. Lesser makeup. Without any proper occasion, do not go with all the makeup elements like concealer, foundation or anything else, though all these are going to add another layer on the real skin to give glowing look. Have you ever wondered what it does to the real skin and the damage it undergoes? It does not mean that all these have to be dumped into dustbin. Instead, choose them only for certain days, while rest of the days have to be followed only with toner and moisturizer along with sunscreen, which will provide the skin with necessary air to breathe. 2. Cleansing of face. This is most common advice given by all the beauticians, which is about cleaning the skin even though the individual might be hugely tired after long day. That is only to make sure that entire dirt from the face along with makeup will be removed from the skin, providing pores with an opening to break fresh air. Since all the time when makeup was put on, the pores have been clogged, lessening the chance for skin to breathe. 3. Go with sunscreen. In order to prevent sun from causing any damage to the skin, it is necessary to use sunscreen, which will prevent skin from falling prey to cancer, aging before its time, and skin rashes, which are all result of too much exposure of skin without necessary shield. Irrespective of the season, go with sunscreen before going into the sun. Also, additionally, it is suggested that sunscreen also has to be applied even in home, since there does not seem to be any place without radiation. 4. Exfoliation. It is necessary to exfoliate the skin twice every week, which will help in removing dead cells on the skin, which will clog the pore that result in acne, blackheads. Apart from this, it is also going to improvise skin complexion, giving a special glow to the skin, removing all the harmful toxins from skin. However, skin also does not have to be scrubbed daily, which otherwise will give much drier look to the skin. 5. Moisturize. It is not only sufficient to keep the skin internally hydrated, but also has to be done so externally, which can be done with the help of moisturizer that not only increase the moisture onto skin but also locks up moisture on skin, hydrating it. In order to open up the pores, it is suggested to place a towel which has been soaked in warm water on the face during night for some time, which will also provide sufficient moisture to the skin. 6. Necessity for proper food. Each and every food consumed daily is going to add to the skin and also benefits it, for which it is necessary to cut down on some of them, while there are certain others which have to be added, some of which are listed below. Vitamin C. It is suggested to include vitamin C in daily diet, which has collagen that is said to be the one responsible for skin firmness. Hence, lack of this substance in the diet is said to result in wrinkles forming at an early age. Also, vitamin C has antioxidants which will not let any damage to be caused for the collagen. Also, this will not let skin to dry up easily, formation of fine lines, for which it is suggested to include strawberries, red peppers, citrus fruits and broccoli to give younger look to the skin. Vitamin A. When solution is available only in fridge, that includes red, green leafy vegetables and orange, are good sources of beta-carotene. There are people who go places to get smoother complexion. Foods which are abundant sources of vitamin A include sweet potatoes, spinach, carrots, squash and turnips. Good fat. It is common misconception among several people that nuts are going to add fat to the body and hence are not healthy for the body. On the contrary, nuts are full of omega-3 fatty acids which provide good fat to the body, which is possible only with handful of nuts, which can possibly include almonds, flax seeds and walnuts. Even salmon is said to have omega-3 fatty acids which can be consumed twice every week. However, it is suggested to cook oil in olive oil, which is full of monounsaturated fats that will add glow to skin. Tomatoes. There is no need to give special information about tomatoes, especially when it comes to topics related to skin, due to the presence of magical substance called as lipocene, which is an antioxidant that helps in fighting age. Also, wrinkles, patches, sagging skin and dark spots can be kept at distance with this. Zinc, iron. Glow for the skin can be increased with foods like lean meat, cereals, oysters and eggs, which are great supplies of zinc and iron, each of which have their own work to do. Like zinc is said to help in producing new cell and wearing out of dead cells, which will give fresh look to the skin, while iron is said to provide necessary oxygen to the body, giving glow to the skin. Fibers. For those who are regularly attacked with acne, can get rid of it by increasing the fiber content in diet, since they are said to be a result of indigestion. This issue can be resolved by going for foods like whole grain breads, oatmeal, bananas, brown rice and apples that will surely lessen the formation of acne. Water. Like it has been already suggested, it is necessary to drink lots of water, keeping the skin hydrated, for which it is necessary to cut down on fried foods.